Be still and let these words touch the place you stopped expecting from. God says, I'm about to restore your faith after all the disappointments. You believed once with a full heart. You trusted without fear. You prayed with confidence. But life happened, promises delayed. People failed you. Answers didn't come the way you hoped. And slowly, faith became cautious. Prayer became quieter. Expectation became guarded. But God says, I never judged you for protecting your heart. I saw how disappointment wounded you. I saw how unanswered prayers made you careful. I saw how you still believed, even when belief hurt. God says, your faith was bruised, not broken. You didn't stop believing. You stopped risking disappointment. You didn't lose faith. You learned pain. And now God says, I'm healing your trust. Not by force, not by pressure, but by showing you my consistency again. Small confirmations, quiet reminders, gentle reassurance. I will rebuild your faith, step by step, moment by moment, truth by truth. God says, you will believe again without fear. Not the reckless faith you once had, but a deeper, stronger, wiser faith. A faith that has survived disappointment. A faith that knows my voice. A faith that rests, not rushes. God says, what disappointed you did not disqualify you. I'm not offended by your questions. I'm not distant because you struggled. I'm closer now than ever. You will pray again and feel peace. You will hope again and not feel foolish. You will trust again and not feel afraid. Because God says, I'm restoring your faith, not as it was, but as it needs to be. Stronger, calmer, unshaken. And when you believe again, it won't be because everything is perfect. It will be because you know who I am.